Rain or shine, head coach Xiang Giao is taking his team's latest loss in stride after a 7-game win streak in the PBA Commissioner's Cup. Giao said the defeat was expected, citing the law of averages after the Elasto Painters fell to Phoenix 87-83 Tuesday night at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium despite leading by as many as 18 points. Rain or shine struggled defensively, shooting just 30% from the field, with import Jalen Johnson finishing with only 12 points on 5 of 25 shooting. Giao admitted the streak was bound to end but believes the loss could help ease pressure on the team.
It was good while it lasted, no? Mangyayari naman talaga yon, mapuputol at some point. We knew there was going to be a bad night one of these days. It's time to reset, no? Nakaano ka na, nakapanalo ka na ng 7 beses. You lose one, maybe you can look forward to another win streak.
Meanwhile, Rain or shine also felt the absence of point guard Felix Limeti, who missed the game due to a left knee concussion. Limeti has been a key contributor during the team's winning run, averaging 11.2 points, 2.5 rebounds, and 3 assists.
Na-miss namin si Felix, medyo bumagal kami nung nawala siya. Tapos yung defense din niya, na-miss namin yung makontain yung mga guardia rin ng kabila.
Limeti suffered the injury in their previous win over Terrapirma and remains doubtful for their next game against Magnolia on Saturday. Reporting for the Scorecard, I am Zeus Valdez, Billionaire News Channel.